This is the new bar, relatively new, Bar Arbolada here on Lee and Main Street. It's kind of a really cool little neighborhood bar. Justin and I have been here. Have you been here before, Emily?
No, I've never been here before.
I have not been. I'm really excited.
It's going to be cool. We're going to go in and see what they've got for us. All right, we made it over to Bar Arbolada. It was a short little 1-block sprint over here. And ready for some cooler beverages to cool us down. This is Riley, the owner. He's going to talk about these 3 selections that he chose for us today. Hey, Riley.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Good. First, we have the Levette and Lee. This one here. It's by far our best seller. It's a really refreshing drink. Base alcohol is vodka. We've got cantaloupe syrup. We've got some lemon juice and some LaCroix to top it off. Really easy to drink. Yeah. Just really refreshing, really easy to drink. We sell a ton of them. Great for the summer. Yeah, one of our favorites.
What's your thoughts?
It's amazing. So I'm not a big fruity fan, the fruity drinks, but this is really good. Very smooth, crisp. It's really good. I like it a lot. It fits the vibe. It fits the vibe of this place. Yes.
And what's Justin drinking over there?
So the next one down is the Elysian Cure. It's kind of a far-off riff on a classic cocktail called a penicillin. So the base liquor is Scotch, but we also have some passion fruit puree in there, and along with some grated chocolate on top. The passion fruit and the chocolate just go really well together. I think a lot of people see Scotch and get a little scared, but you really can't taste much of the Scotch in this one at all. And it's probably my favorite cocktail on the list.
Hey, Justin, have you tried that drink?
Yeah. It's kind of like, it's almost like a little bit of a Capri Sun because it's got the citrus to it, but it's really incredible. I didn't expect it's got like cocoa shavings on it, and I totally didn't expect for that to blend well at all. It's really surprising, and it's really refreshing. What's your opinion on it?
Which one?
Both, if you want
This one? What do I have?
Okay, so and last we have the Kensington and Classen. So this uses like a really interesting spirit, that the Townsend White Rose, which is actually distilled. There's a company in Portland that makes kombucha, and they distill it from kombucha. So it's this spirit that's like, it's kind of hard to even classify. It's not it's not a vodka, it's not a gin. So we use that, and we do use some gin in it. We use this Bluebird Alpine liqueur that gives it a little kind of an anise flavor. But then the cucumber and the dill and the lime, it's just like super bright and green and refreshing. Again, one of my favorites on the menu, especially for the summertime. It's really bright and green.
I definitely agree with that. What's your opinion?
Honestly, I think it might be like my new favorite drink. It's like, I feel like I'm gonna be here like every day now. But it's really refreshing, like a cucumber, but it's got like this like interesting, I think it's like the kombucha, whatever that is, that like lights up the back of your throat. I don't know, it's really good. I love it. I highly recommend it for sure.
So, Jason, you want to try this Elysian? Elysian? Is it? It's Elysian, right? Elysian Cure. Okay. Let's swap roles here for a little bit. Okay. It's like yours is almost. It's almost like lemonade. It's almost like lemonade. I'm into it. It's on a hot summer day with it 90 degrees. That is a perfect drink. I mean, both of these they got just enough. Well, really, all three of them. They have just enough citrus in it. It's a good, cooling, refreshing drink that you could have on a hot summer day.
And it could sneak up on you if you're not careful.
Yeah, you could definitely sneak up on you if you're not paying attention.
You're right on this. These cocoa shavings. I didn't know what to think about it, but It's really, I don't know how to explain it. It just works.
We found it.
It just fits.
We actually found it. So there's a book called the Flavor Bible, and you can look up one thing, and it'll have 10 things that pair well with it. So we knew we were using passion fruit, and we looked at passion fruit, and it said chocolate pairs well with passion fruit.
Really?
So we tried it, and it worked. I mean, it works.
Do you know of anybody else that does anything like that?
I don't.
It's kind of it kind of blows your mind because you're sitting there, you're drinking it, and when you start drinking it, you smell chocolate. It's like a little cozy home type feeling. I don't even know how to explain it. Yeah, so it's like this chocolate, and you're like, oh, good chocolate, and then it's just like citrus just slaps you upside the head. But I usually think that the people that like chocolate and fruit together, like the chocolate covered fruit, I think they're weirdos a little bit.
I agree. I'm the same.
I'm more of like an almond or a pecan covered in chocolate, but this right here is amazing, so I kind of get it. I'm weird too. I'm a weirdo.
Yeah.
I'm a weirdo now. Yeah. I'm more weird than I was.
we're all whole and weirdos somehow.
Cheers to that.
Cheers.
You try this one? Yeah, that one's still shockingly good. They all really are.
Wow. That's awesome. That's like, I don't know how to explain that. Right? This is the healthy drink of the bar.
Yeah.
Well, man, we really appreciate you letting us do this, Riley. This was great. And they have other drinks that are really incredible on here. I think I've had the Paloma. I've had some other stuff that you guys do that are incredible. As you can see, this is like a really cool neighborhood hangout. It's right here on Main Street, just a tiny jog west of downtown. It is packed at 5 o'clock on a weekday, and it's like this on the weekends too. We've been here on the weekends and weeknights. It's a cool little, it's actually my favorite neighborhood bar.
Thank you.
And appreciate you having us, Riley. Thanks so much.
Thanks for coming.
Thank you.
All right.